Have you ever wondered how those tiny springs in your favorite gadgets are made? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of compression springs, the unsung heroes that keep everything from pens to car suspensions working smoothly. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of making high-quality compression springs, right here at CookSpring. Whether you're an industry professional, a DIY enthusiast, or simply curious, this is your one-stop shop for all your coiling needs. At CookSpring, we only use the highest quality steel wire, tailored to meet the specific requirements of each spring, from stainless steel to exotic alloys. Choosing the right material is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your part. Next, our state-of-the-art CNC coiling machines take over. These precision tools ensure that each coil is wound to exact specifications, creating a spring that delivers consistent compression and reliability. At CookSpring, precision isn't just a goal, it's our standard. First, the selected wire is loaded onto an uncoiler. From there, the operator feeds the wire around the cast wheel. From the cast wheel, the wire is inserted into the intermediate and/or final wire guides. Now we begin to actually form the spring. The wire has reached the axial and tensioning points. This begins to give the spring its circular shape, while the pitch device creates distance between the coils. Once the spring has the correct length, it reaches the static capacity sensor. After measuring, the cutting tool will actuate and execute a cut on the spring, releasing it from the machine. Directly after, the spring falls into an oven where it is heat treated to customer specifications. After that's said and done, each spring undergoes finishing touches like grinding and ultrasonic passivation. But we don't stop there. At CookSpring, every spring is meticulously inspected to meet our strict quality standards. This attention to detail is what sets us apart in the industry. And there you have it, a complete look at how we craft some of the world's most reliable compression springs. Thanks for watching, and when precision matters, Cook delivers.